Let's start from trading view. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup training. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm going to talk about daily time frame. I'm using daily time frame for my swing trading, but my style works for any time frames. You can use for any time frames, but we are going to talk about the daily. Daily, it's a Tesla, and I'm using moving averages, just one indicator only. SMA 200, white line, SMA 20, yellow line, SMA 10, red line, SMA 5, green line. That's all. Buy and sell script indicator. That's all. Very simple. And remember, trading is very simple. It has only two actions, buy and sell. It has two results, gain or loss, right? Profit or loss, positive or negative. It has two colors, green or red. That's all. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. Everyone can do it. Let's start it. You see, let me show you briefly. Look at it. When bars below yellow line 20, remember yellow line 20, red line 10, and green line 5. When bars below 5, 10, and 20, below yellow line, right? And yellow, it's a downtrend direction. It's a bearish direction. You see, yellow line move downtrend because bars below MA5, 10, and 20. When bars above MA5 and 10 and 20, above yellow line, it is bullish trend. Look at it. It's a bullish trend. Each time bars do bearish crossover over 20, it is bearish trend. And each time bars do bullish crossover over MA20, it is bullish trend. That's how simple it is. And look at it, MA200 even, MA200 downtrend. You see, it's a generally bearish trend because MA200 downtrend. Very simple. When moving average is uptrend, it's a bullish. When moving average is downtrend, it's a bearish. That's how simple it is. Okay. Let me maximize it and show you all steps that I show you, that all rules management, risk management rules, and how it works. Look at it. Let me show you. Okay, my simple trading style, how to use it. This is Tesla, remember, right? Okay, let's start. You see a sell signal over here, red sell signal, and this is, remember, green line MA5, red line MA10, and yellow line MA20. Green line did bearish crossover over 10. You know, in a trading, like I said, it's just two items, and one of them is a behavioral items, right? It's a fear and greed. That's very important. Fear and greed. It's emotional, right? Emotional. If you follow the indicators do not have emotions. You will be always successful. Don't follow your emotions. Don't have in trading, I feel, I think, it could be, it would be. No, nothing like that. Indicator shows you the entry position and indicator shows you the exit position. You have to follow the indicator. Look at here. Sell signal, MA5 did bearish crossover, right? This bar, it's entry point. This red bar, we did entry point because it created red bar. For us, it's a short because bearish crossover, it's a short what we did. And I did put this stop. This stop red line, it's my stop over here. And I can lose only one bar. If I get in the wrong direction, it can bounce. Definitely it can. It can bounce from this position because it's MA20. It could touch MA20, it could touch MA200 and bounce from it. Very simple. And I will, in this case, I could lose only one bar. But I have opportunity to gain multiple bars. Look at it. In my case, I risk one bar. And I gain how many bars? 20, 25 bars until I hold that position, short position, until this bullish crossover. And you see what I received? Buy signal on this bar. And my entry was in the bullish position over here in this bar. I did bullish position entry. I put the stop over here, not even here, like over there. This is my level of stop, right? And it moved up, it touched 20, it was rejected because we're in a bearish trend, right? At 20 is a strong resistance. It was rejected. And it did move back, and MA5 did bearish crossover. What I did changed my, and I sold it. I sold it because market changed direction. I never fight with the market. I always follow direction. In this setup, I didn't gain anything. Maybe even I received some small loss. Could be, absolutely, but here it could be even some small loss in this flat, or it could be flat. Maybe a few bucks more or less. It doesn't matter. I did get in another short position, MA5, because MA5 green line did bearish crossover over 10. I did short and I did put stop in the previous bar, above this bar, stop, and it was, and yeah, it was short, right? Short, because bar moved below MA5 and 10. We are still below, bars still below 20. And remember, when bars below 20, it's a bearish territory. When bars above 20, it is bullish territory. When MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, it is very bearish confirmed territory. When MA5, 10 and 20 above 200, it is bullish territory. That's how simple it is. Okay, we did bearish crossover. From this position, we did sell, and we hold it, this bar and this trade until MA5 did bullish crossover again. It did bullish crossover again. We sold it. We sold this position, and we bought it long again because we didn't know it will do bullish crossover or not. And it did move. Again, we did the same scenario like here: buy and sell. Stop. We put stop over here, stop over there, and it moved down. We didn't gain anything here, but we gained over here, right? From this leg, we have like one leg over there. Let me show you. Let's continue to move down. Okay, we did another sell, right? Another sell because MA5 did bearish crossover. Another trade, bearish. Remember, it's a daily. It's very many days. It's like 50 days, right? It's a 1 month trade. You have like 30 days. It's a one month trade. It's not. It's same for the any time frames, but in this case, it's a monthly. It's like, I don't want to count. It will be like 40 bars, right? 40 bars, like even two. Let me start. Let me see now. I don't have to count. Sorry about that. Let's start from here. It's a September 22nd, 22, right? September 22nd. And this one is the last trade for this short. January 10. Wow. January 10. It's like October, November, December. 3 months of trading. This is 3 months of trading. That's how swing trading works. Very simple. And we will calculate everything, right? Because I want to prove it for you that it works. Okay, we did short again over here, and we hold it. We hold it up to here. Again, MA5 did bullish crossover. We sold our short, and we switch and we bought long. Here we bought long again, and we put stop. We bought at this crossover. MA5 did bullish crossover over here. I bought it. I did a trade, and I put stop over here. And even in this situation, you could put it stop over here, but I don't want to lose. This is a too huge bar. I don't want to make a so huge loss in case. That's why I used like beginning of this bar. Beginning, you can use in the middle of the bar. It's not. It's up to your style. Up to your style. I'm trying to make loss smaller. Okay, and what I did, we did long. We bought it, and then we received buy signal also. Let me maximize it maybe a little bit more. Yeah, buy and crossover. MA5 did bullish crossover, and bars moved above 5, right? Above 5. In this case, it's a bullish, because when bars below MA5, it's a bearish. When bars above MA5, I told you it's a bullish crossover, and it did bullish crossover over 20. It's a full confirmation. When bars moved above yellow line, it's a full confirmation. From this point, we knew the market changed direction from bearish to bullish, right? MA5 and 20 was about, MA5 and 10 was about 20. They were about 20. The two lines and bars were about 20. And it was long gain from here to here. And it's very simple, right? Very simple. And look at it. I told you about this short position. We see we started from this point. It was 300. Let's do approximately 301, 302, $300. Started from here. It stopped here. Some pause. It was one leg. Let me show you. This is one leg down, right? This was second leg down. Kind of pause. And it was third leg down over here, right? And we sold it here. And our profit was from this stop from the 300 to this level to 114, right? Almost $200 per share. $200 per share. That's how easy it is, how it's profitable. That's how you can use simple trading style.